So I know it's been a while. I'll explain that later, but first, I'll be putting this thing in. Let's get this open. Here's the infamous charcoal filter. So yeah, it looks like it's glued in there. Definitely gonna have to rip it out. That's the stock filter. Need both hands for this. So I loosened the screw here so this could pop out of the intake hose so you can get this angled up. Still, the mast is still connected here. Careful with the wire. But you just twist it and get a look at the charcoal filter. There's a lip right here. I wonder if I can get a pried up from there. So I was able to get the corner pried up. And the edges just kind of peel off, it looks like, around these little melts. Oh yeah, just to clarify, this is the 335060. Same one from the first gen. Alright, so we got this back in. The bottom would come loose. I have to pull it out and reattach it. So that's back in, this is back in, this is back in. Make sure this cutout is aligned for the plastic tab that's stuck in there. Alright, I'm going to take a shower and then we're going to give this Bud Dyno test. Yeah, so Bud Dyno. You might notice this is a different day, but I went in to go take a shower last week and I got distracted and ran out of daylight. So I have had a week to mess around and see if there's any difference. Honestly, I can't really feel much of a difference at all. But the car's still pretty peppy, so you might be wondering where I've been. You may have noticed I had a garage that I was using, so what happened was I moved at the end of January to a new apartment. The problem was that the weather wasn't cooperating. It snowed for 3 Saturdays in a row. Then I got busy with the moving stuff. I had to keep running errands, setting things up. I didn't really do anything to the car. Not sure if I was going to film this video, actually. I wasn't sure because I've been having like second thoughts about continuing this channel now that I've got through the initial stuff I was going to do on the car. And now there's way more of them out there and way more people doing videos, so I felt a little redundant. I've had things I could film, but I always feel weird pulling out my camera to start filming people I don't really know that well yet, so it takes me way out of my comfort zone. So I'm going to try and decide whether I want to keep doing these going forward or not. Reaching the point where I'm not going to have a lot of things to put on the car right now. Still waiting for aftermarket stuff to come along just for the second gen.